Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novosey. Today I have a really fun, blinged out, glamorous of course, DIY for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to make a fabulous wall decor using Dollar Tree items. As always, everything will be listed in the description box. First of all, I saw these at the Dollar Tree. I could not believe that they were selling these. I was like, what? These are beautiful. They're like sunlight almost with little round mirrors in the inside. So I have 5 in front of me today, and I'm going to be taking some original chrome metallic spray paint by Krylon, my fave, and I'm going to be spray painting these, and I'm going to show you some other things I'm going to add into the DIY. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay love, so first what you're going to do is take some painter's tape and cover up your mirror because you don't want the spray paint to get on it. I felt like this was the most efficient way to do this. I already went ahead and did this to all 4 of my mirrors. I'm going to show you how to do it on the last one here. I'm going to take a strip of the painter's tape. So I'm going to take about this amount of the painter's tape and lay it down on top of the mirror towards the center. And just press it down with your fingers, and you're going to slightly imprint around the sides so that you can then cut it afterwards. So I'm going to add 2 more strips of tape on both sides to fully cover up the mirror. And as I said before, just gently press it in on the corners so that the tape can go all the way back there. So next you'll take a box cutter and cut around the sides of the mirror and then remove the excess. So next you're going to remove the excess tape. Alright, so that fully covers up the mirror. I'm going to take all 5 of my mirrors out on my porch and I'm going to spray paint them, and I'll come back and show you the rest of the DIY. Again, I'll be using the Krylon Original Chrome Spray Paint, and I'll show you what it looks like right afterwards. Stay tuned. Okay, so while those dry, I'm going to show you what to do next. I'm going to take this mirror. I got it from Lowe's. I'm going to use this for the base of my DIY. I'm going to add some bling wrap down the middle. I've already went ahead and taken the full measurements and cut everything out already. So it's just going to look like this straight down the middle. You can get this bling wrap from the Dollar Tree and it already has adhesive on it. I got this from Michael's and it does not have adhesive on it. So I'm going to go ahead, flip it over and add some E6000 to it and then place it down on the mirror so I can give this DIY a little bit of bling. So next I'm going to go ahead and add some command strips to the back of my mirror. I'm going to use command strips because I want it to lay flat on my wall. So you will get 4 command strips in each pack. Each strip can hold up to 4 pounds. So I'm going to put a strip on each corner of my mirror. Just going to turn it around, remove the strip, and the adhesive is right there. And just add it to the corners. So then go ahead and place the Velcro right on top. So that's how you'll go ahead and hang your piece, is by adding the command strips to each corner and placing the Velcro on top. When you get ready to hang them, you just simply remove the adhesive backing and place it where you want to on the wall. Okay, so once you went ahead and you added your beautiful bling wrap down the center and you added your adhesive command strips on the back, I'm going to allow this a few minutes to dry, but in the meantime, I'm going to go grab the other mirrors and show you how to fully decorate them. So here's what the mirrors look like once you went ahead and you spray painted them. These are adorable. You can leave it like this if you want to. I'm going to take some fine silver glitter as well as some Mod Podge and add it into a small container and add it to each of the mirrors to give them a little bit more of a sparkle. I'm going to be using a paintbrush to apply that method. Now what this will do is that this will seal the glitter so that it won't fall all over the place after you've went ahead and you painted into your pieces. I'm going to put a mask on. It's too much to inhale the E6000, the Mod Podge, and the spray paint. I've been really trying not to inhale these chemicals. I got these 3M masks from the hardware store. They are the best. I'm going to pop this on because I do not want to inhale these chemicals. I know you can't hear me, but let these dry for a few minutes, okay? So next what I'll do is I'll take my beautiful blinged out mirror and I'm gonna turn it over to the back, and I'm gonna use one of these ring plastic napkin holders that I used in my most recent DIY. I think it was a 3-tier cake stand, and I'm gonna use that and place it on the back of my mirror, and it's going to kind of make it set up when I apply it to the mirror like this. So it's just going to push it out and have a flat surface so that the mirror can lay flat, okay? So I'm going to do that on all 5 of my mirrors. So after I've done that, I'm just going to flip these back over and try to place them in the area that I want them to be at. This is going to be so cute, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take some E6000 and secure these into place. So I'm going to add it to the back of the ring holder. Okay, so before my camera dies, lastly what you're going to do is you're going to remove the tape from all of the mirrors, and then that completes your DIY, okay? So I'm going to quick do that. I may use a, oh yeah, it's coming right off. So that completes today's DIY. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. This was so much fun to make. I'm so looking forward to hanging this up. It's gonna go up in my living room, and here's what it will look like. Be sure to also follow me on Instagram at Chanelle Novosey A. I'll have that in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day. I'll see you all really soon. Bye.